Women's Fair is all about helping people live younger longer. And what's happening behind me is health screens, free giveaways, all kinds of good information to help people live younger longer and help them stay out of the hospital and feel great about life. That's the whole point. So everyone here today is taking advantage of all kinds of free screenings and taking steps to improve their health. So we applaud them for coming.
Well, when I walked in here, I was like, wow, there are a lot of people here. I was very surprised, very excited to see this many people interested in their health. And I think just being here and letting the community know that we're here for them in all aspects of health, whether it's orthopedics or it's, you know, your GI or whatever it is, we all can have productive and active lives throughout any age. And I think that's what this provides, and it's pretty exciting.
This is one of those just amazing events that been growing and growing for the last several years, and just really excited to have so many different sub-events. There are screenings, there's educational seminars, there's cooking exhibits, flu shots, and it's all free. This isn't about making money. This is about improving the health of our patients and our communities. And in the scheme of things, whether we get $5 or $10 or 15 for a variety of screenings, it really makes no difference. What makes a big difference is when we save a life or get somebody on the road to healthy lifestyle and a longer, higher quality life. That's really what it's about.
We've got everything from orthopedics to eye and ear, nose, and throat health to blood pressure and cholesterol checks. Really the full gamut to offer.
There's a myth out there that colon cancer is more of a male disease, but indeed it affects both men and women equally. This is our third year here, and usually there's a good turnout. People are usually scared about the procedure and concerned about the cost and also the how they tolerate the prep for the procedure. So at least getting that information out there has been very helpful, and usually there's a good turnout.
So it's really important for us to get to women who so often are the decision makers when it comes to healthcare, to raise their level of awareness, what they can do to improve the health status of their family. And so one of the things we want to do is to raise awareness of the kinds of health issues we need to pay attention to.
Early detection is the best prevention. They say that women are the choosers for the healthcare in the family, and we're always the nurturers and the providers, and sometimes we neglect to take care of ourselves. So we want to reach out to the women and tell them they're important too.
Screening, that's the best time to catch a disease before it causes an issue, oftentimes before the patient or the individual realizes they have anything wrong. Because that's when it's the most treatable. So this is absolutely the time to find something and to hopefully find it at a very curable state.
If you can prevent the problem, you don't have to treat the problem. And so treatment itself is sometimes so difficult, expensive. We just need to make sure we're doing what we can to take care of them.
If you find out when you're younger and you treat it, and that's really the biggest thing, is getting younger generations to recognize that they could have something and want to treat it. Because everybody always wants to wait until it becomes a problem and then fix it. So that's the biggest thing, is to find out, treat it while you're young, get towards prevention before it actually causes damage.
Well, it's important for everybody to take care of their own health, and that's what we also promote. So anytime you can get something for free and keep it in your records and take it to your physician, you really have to keep up on it. Prevention is the key. Don't wait for disease to happen. You try to prevent it before it happens.
More importantly, there's an emotional impact in terms of keeping people, again, where they want to be, at home, with their loved ones, with their families, not in the hospital. That's what we're all about.
Well, women have very busy lives. Men do too, don't get me wrong. But women take on quite a bit too in life, and this gives them the opportunity in the day just to be able to take care of themselves, nurture themselves through here. So it's a wonderful event that I'm glad I'm able to participate in each year.